Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddy Vision. The Reggae Girlz head coach job is up in the air. Donaldson faces challenge from Burnley coach for Reggae Girlz job. Interesting. Before we get into this video, I want you guys to like, share and subscribe. And join the Eddy Vision family. Burnley's women's coach Jonathan Morgan and former national assistant coach Lauren Donaldson are the frontrunners for the Reggae Girlz head coach job. A source inside the Jamaica Football Federation says Englishman Morgan is the likely choice and that his appointment could come as early as this week. Before taking over as the head coach of Burnley this season, the vastly experienced Morgan, in charge of Leicester City women's team from 2014 to 2021 and had guided them to promotion in the previous campaign. However, he was fired by Leicester City last November after a disappointing start to their Women's Super League campaign. Meanwhile, Donaldson is no stranger to the Reggae Girlz setup, as he, alongside with former head coach Hugh Menzies, led the girls to a historic FIFA Women's World Cup appearance in France in 2019. He took over as interim coach in October 2019 after Menzies left the role and guided the Reggae Girlz through the Caribbean leg of the Olympic qualifiers in Jamaica. Donaldson was then offered the role permanently, but declined it in January 2020, citing unprofessional behavior by the JFF. The 51st ranked senior Reggae Girlz are drawn in Group A alongside world champions United States, hosts Mexico and Caribbean neighbors Haiti for the July 4 to 18 CONCACAF Women's Championship in Monterrey. The championship serves as qualifiers for the FIFA Women's World Cup. As we know, Vin Blaine's job came under scrutiny after 20 members of the Reggae Girlz squad signed a letter to the JFF president Mike Ricketts demanding that he be replaced because of concerns regarding coaching, communication and organization. Blaine was reappointed in December last following the suspension of Hubert Busby, who is under investigation by FIFA after allegations of sexual misconduct were levied against him while in a previous coaching role. During his time in charge, Blaine led the girls to 4 straight victories in Group C of the CONCACAF Women's Championship qualifiers, with the team scoring 24 goals and conceding 2. There you have it, fans, Reggae Girlz fans, Jamaica football fans. Donaldson versus Morgan. Who will be the next Reggae Girlz coach? We heard rumors that it might be. It's looking to be the Englishman, Morgan, but we have to wait and see. Let me know in the comment section below who you think should be the next manager for the Reggae Girlz. Drop it in the comment section, guys. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.